Okay, this is I guess part 3 of EMS Backyard Mechanics. My name is Matt. A lot of my friends and everybody call me Matt. What I've learned with doing this by myself is I got 8 of these done, and I went over these. I thought I had them done already, but I went ahead over because when I was redoing the second one over here, I realized I was getting a hairline crack of light shining through. And I'll show you how to find that out and see that. This is how I did it. When I had this in here, get this back in the hole there. When I had this in here, and when I was cleaning it, and the exhaust valve hole right here is dark. So when you're spinning it, if there's any hairline opening, like, you know, well, that's a lot bigger because I'm moving it, you know, but that gives you an idea where you'll be looking for the light. So you see where the light is. If you spin it and you get a gap of light showing when you're turning it, then your valve's not done. You want it to stay dark in there and not have no light shining. And then you know you're getting a good valve seat, because if that doesn't seal good all the way around, then if I'm correct, which I think I am, you lose compression and end up losing horsepower out of the engine. I'm not no expert, but I always do all my own mechanics and I learn as I go. And so far I haven't done too much damage. Everything seems to stay good, except for rack pinions. I don't like messing with rack pinions. But if you like my videos and all that, just go ahead and subscribe. Let me know how you like it, and you know, I'll enjoy that. This is my first time doing any YouTube video, and my name is Matthew Smith, and my wife's name is Brenda. She's doing the recording on the video, and I hope this is helpful to everybody that is doing a straight inline 6 motor in a 96 Jeep Cherokee.